All right. Welcome back, everybody, to the Space Grand Challenge. My name is Henry Danielson. I'm here today and very excited to chat with our guest, Jacob, high school senior, Unity developer, and challenge creator for Space Grand Challenge. So I want to tell you a quick story before I let you talk a little bit. Is that okay, Jacob? And welcome.
Yeah, it's completely fine.
All right. So the story of a small school district located here on the Central Coast has connections that keep on giving. One of the amazing teachers at this high school, got to give a shout out to Mr. J or Ian, told me about Jacob and how he was interested in cyber and developing Unity games, as well as really doing well in his cybersecurity course. I went and I got lucky and met Jacob, and we bonded and shared our interests and experiences in cybersecurity and space and gamification and gaming, specifically for a vehicle for learning, how it's so much more fun to learn a skill set playing a game versus maybe just opening a book and learning from traditional book learning. So one of the great things over this year is Jacob has helped the Space Grand Challenge develop the Lunar Room that you'll be able to play today, as well as a pre-qualification room that we were able to showcase and share at a national NICE conference, the National Initiative for Cybersecurity Education Conference in Arizona this past year. The teachers were so excited when I put the URL up for them to try it and test it. The whole place stopped listening to me, flipped up their laptops, and were starting to play the wonderful room that Jacob had worked on. And again, I'm so proud to be here with you today, Jacob. Can you tell us what the experience has been like for you volunteering and working at the California Cybersecurity Institute on Space Grand Challenge?
Yeah, of course. Honestly, the experience of working at CCI has been absolutely amazing. It's led to so many amazing opportunities, and including helping out this year's Space Grand Challenge competitors. It's been absolutely amazing. In addition, being able to work with the college students that have helped me along this journey has been just a completely different experience and has led to an awesome environment in places that I've never even thought about working, such as the 5G lab that we work on with the Space Grand Challenge and even a military base. Working on this project has been it's been so rewarding, and being able to help teach this year's competitors is just like, it's something I'm so grateful to do.
Awesome. And again, Jacob, I want to give him a shout out. When we met, I was enabling him to learn more about cybersecurity and some of the trainings that we do. So Jacob has done some AWS training, Splunk training, Cisco cybersecurity training. And it was so interesting because as he was going through all these different trainings, I remember asking him, hey, what do you think you want to do later in life after college? And he calmly said, I think I want to be a full stack developer, Henry. I was like, what? And for those who don't know, working on the front end and the back end of computing, it's every kit and caboodle, if you will, of the parts from cloud all the way down to the hardware. So anyway, I'm just really proud and stoked that Jacob's been helping us. So another question for you, Jacob. What do you enjoy about cybersecurity and space?
Honestly, the main thing that's led me to enjoying cybersecurity and just loving to do it is the complete encompassment, I guess, of devices and especially the internet. The length that devices have gone over the past 40 years is something that's absolutely amazing and something that's really intrigued me to continue the development of. And as for space, it's such an intriguing topic, and there's so much that we don't know about it. So being able to help with this year's competitors learn more about space and technology, it's just a way of furthering development and advancement of science and technology, and something that I really stand by.
So the thing that's also interesting about the space and cyber is it's protecting our assets, and we use stuff every day from GPS all the way up to our warfighting and protecting our wonderful world that we live in and our nation. So there's lots of cool things that happen with that. So I heard some great news, and I just want to be able to say, what exactly college will you be attending in the fall?
I'm going to be going to Cal Poly at the start of this fall.
What? Can you show
Yeah.
us your sweatshirt there so that we can get some
Yep.
representation? Yes, go Mustangs.
Cal Poly.
Woohoo! Okay, and my last question, do you know where you'll be working at once you get to Cal Poly?
I'm going to be working with the California Cybersecurity Institute next year.
Awesome. So again, instead of volunteering your time, you will be actually a paid member of the team. We're very excited about that. And we want to get you, just like you would like to do, working on the front end, the React, the back end, React as well, AWS, also looking at creating forensics images and other cool things that go along with this, also with the Unity. And I have another mini story. The other day, Jacob says, "So, Henry, what's next year's going to be like? Let's go." And I'm like, okay, oh my gosh, he's so excited and ready to go. So, um, is there anything else you wanted to share to the participants about solving challenges, seeing how you've written some of them, some advice? What would you say to a first-time participant going to a challenge and trying to figure it out?
Honestly, I would say make use of the resources that you have. The internet is something that is amazing and it will help you out more than anything. Even after you're done with schooling, you're not going to learn everything. And utilizing the internet to figure out these challenges, which may be about things that you don't know, is something that's so important. And then also, if you're working with a team, make sure that you utilize your teammates. It's not a solo event, so make sure that you take all the resources that you can get and use them to their max extent.
Awesome. Well, thank you again. I'm super honored to have you here today, and good luck with the wonderful participants. Give them a shout out, Jacob, before we leave. And thank you very much for your time today, and cannot wait to continue to work with you. And I hope you have a great evening, and thanks for your time.
Yeah, of course. Good luck, everyone.